Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Spotify. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in open.spotify.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Spotify web version, from which in order to change your password, you can use the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button and you will be taken into the login portal. Now, if you use the continue with Google, Apple or Facebook feature, you will not be able to change your password. So type in your email address or username that you used while signing up to create your account. And before typing in your current password to log in, click on forgot your password underneath the login button. You will then be allowed to reset your password by entering your email address or your username. Type in either one of these and then click on the send link button and you will receive a link within your email address or your phone number that you used while signing up. Just tap on this link or use the verification code within and you will be allowed to create your new password. Type in your desired new password and click on the reset password button and your password will now be changed. You can now use your new password along with your original email address or username in order to log into your account on Spotify. And there you have it. That is how you can change your password on Spotify. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.